Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning if you want to make Google Chrome your default browser. So whenever you open a link or a file or a PDF file, you want Google Chrome to open it, then this video is for you. So please do finish watching this video till the very end. First, let us open our Google Chrome browser. And once this is open, let me just click on that. I will just choose an account. So once this is open, all we need to do is just go to the very top right corner and you will see there the three dot icon. So please click on that, and then at the very bottom part, if you scroll down, you will see the settings option. So here in the settings, you will see in the left pane the default browser option under search engine. So please click on that. And here we have to, or we can make Google Chrome the default browser. Just make a click on this make default button here, and it will set Google Chrome as the default browser in your device. Okay, and once you're done, just close this window here, and we will go to settings. So make a right click here near Windows icon and then go to settings option. Once you do that, you will see the settings window coming up. Here we need to click on the system option here, and then we will be scrolling down a little bit and we will look for default apps. So let me just go to home. We will be looking for default apps. So let me just go to apps, and here we found the default apps, defaults for file and link types and other defaults. So please click on that. Once you do that, you will be able to set a default for a file type or link type here. Just enter a file type or link type here, and then you can add the default application. Okay, and set defaults for application, you can also do that. So just scroll down a little bit and then you will see the Google Chrome application here. So please click on that, and then for the Google Chrome to be set as default, you can click on this set default button here. And for the file types or any link types, for the HTML document or HTML documents and file types, all you need to do is just click this option here, and then you will be able to see the suggested apps for the default to open HTML files. So if you want Google Chrome to open it, just click on Google Chrome and then click on set default, and the Google Chrome browser will now open all the HTML files that you will open in your device. And you can also do the same with the HTML file types, MHTML file types, or even the PDF file types, the SHTML, the SVG, and all the other file types that you will open. So all you need to do is just to click on this choose a default button here, and then you select or choose from the apps, suggested apps here. Just click on that and then click on this set default button, and then just make a quick restart with your device and your settings will now be applied. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.